Quicken Classic Business and Personal Review 2025. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you a full review of Quicken Classic Business and Personal 2025. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is that Quicken Classic Business and Personal is designed for managing both personal and business finances in one place. Over here, it allows users to track personal budgets, business expenses, and rental property finances within a single platform. After that, let's talk about business tools. Over here, this edition provides invoicing, profit and loss statements, cash flow tracking, and tax preparation reports, making it useful for small business owners and freelancers. Then, moving on to rental property management. Over here, landlords can track tenant information, rental payments, lease terms, and property related expenses, helping to streamline property management tasks. After that, let's go over comprehensive reporting. Over here, the software generates tax reports, including Schedules A through E, profit and loss statements, and balance sheets, making tax preparation easier. Now, let's talk about user experience. Over here, users appreciate the ability to integrate various financial aspects into a single platform. Then, the business specific features such as invoicing and expense tracking have been particularly beneficial for small business owners and freelancers. Then, moving on to pricing. Over here, Quicken Classic Business and Personal operates on a subscription model costing $119.88 per year, which equals $9.99 per month. Now, let's go over considerations. Over here, the software is primarily desktop centric, so it may not be ideal for users who need full mobile access. Then, new users might take some time to learn all the features due to the extensive financial tools available. So, that's a full review of Quicken Classic Business and Personal 2025. That's all for this video.